You're live, Kuya. Say hi. Good morning.
Half rice. Half rice.
Naglilinis sila. Why are you cleaning up, Kuya?
For party tomorrow.
For what?
My party tomorrow.
They can't hear you.
Look at my party tomorrow.
Oh, may party raw siya tomorrow.
That's
May
a
mga
new
kaibigan siyang...
one.
What's that?
That new one turned into a dark beetle.
It's alright. Oh, it's
I
cold.
stepped on it in Kindy. No, yours no
Kuya! Come on.
I'm
Ha?
cleaning out here.
Oh, you're cleaning outside. Ikaw sak dito. How's your birthday yesterday, Baba? Oi, how's your birthday? Baba,
Oh!
what?
That just smells like a melon.
A what?
Melon.
Melon? Si Kuya, doon siya naatasan ng daddy niya sa labas. Oh, it's cold. Asa na kayo? Kuya Tija. No, no, not in the dirt. You don't sweep on the dirt. Yeah, just put it there. Yeah, daddy will sort it out later. No, it's all right there, Baba. Okay. Let me see. It's all right, Zach. Come on, I'm cold. You don't. Is it messy there?
Huh?
Is it lots of mess there?
Yes.
I need to get a.
Oh, TJ!
Who? Who? What did I say? All the time. That's right.
I'll chuck this in the bin, maybe.
No, no,
Do
no.
not go in that. Do not open that. That has too many ants in there.
Okay. Kuya, can you get my jacket and
Wait, you coming out?
No, I'm just freezing. Come on. In my bedroom, Kuya, at the back of the door, please. Thank you.
But what is that for?
Oh, that's for the flies. Spray for the flies.
Well, we don't use it now.
Yeah, we will. There, anak, sa likod ng pintuan. Mommy's bedroom. Mommy's bedroom, not Holly's bedroom.
Mom, I have to move that bin somewhere else.
Okay.
I'll put it here, Mom.
Uh,
It's here next to that.
no, just put it there because Daddy will put it.
Pink one.
Yeah, that will do. Thank you. Oh, Holly will give it to Mommy. Okay, come on, Holly. And can you get Holly's the pink also? Yeah. Oh, give it to Mommy.
You go get yours, okay? I'll give mine.
No, you have to get her shoes too, Kuya.
Wait, you're coming out, Holly? Coming out. Is Holly coming out?
Yeah.
Yay! But Holly's not playing. She's cleaning up.
No, she's not cleaning.
She's having a play.
No, she's just gonna watch it. Where are you, Baba? Yeah. Okay na. Come on, Baba. You don't need balloon, Baba. Where's the hat, Kuya?
Yeah, open it.
Here, Baba. Here, Baba. Here,
What?
Baba.
There's no ants.
Close the door.
Mom, there's no ants anywhere.
What?
Look, I have the same jacket.
Like mommy. Okay.
Mom, this will pop.
No, it won't.
Yeah. Yeah.
Here, Baba. Hold your mouth.
Don't throw it in! Don't throw it in! I'm not doing that.
Where's your shoes, Baba?
I'm cleaning that side.
Okay.
Why you had to clean? If you want to clean the outside, move your pipes. Oh, it popped. It popped the balloon pop. Where? Pop. Yeah, it popped. Yeah, it popped.
Okay.
Hey, Papa.
Don't go outside, Baba. Just here, Baba.
Hey, this bag.
Baba. Just here. Stay here, Baba. No, it's Yaki there, Baba. Kuya are cleaning. Come on.
Put that one over.
No, no, mommy will
Do that.
do that later. You're not doing anything, Kuya.
Yeah, you just throw nothing down like playing.
What are you doing?
Ah.
Holy girl. Sak, don't play with water, please. No, no, it's gonna be.
He's washing them
Ah, okay.
for Holly.
Don't give it to Holly yet.
The toys are. From the toilet.
Baba, here.
Look.
Oh, did you wash that? Is it yucky? Or where are you gonna put the pram now?
Oh, I don't know. Put it out there.
No, I don't know.
I know where the spot's supposed to be.
What spot?
Put it over there in the shelter.
In the shelter.
No, the one over there.
No.
So the
Sak, that's enough, Baba, because it's wet. That's enough.
I'm keeping that.
That's all right.
But the stuff make it very small.
Okay.
Sorry.
Oh, Holly, no, Baba. See, we're going inside, Holly. Kuya, remove the tablecloth because you're sweeping the table. The tablecloth, Kuya. Broom, broom. Kuya, Kuya, remove the tablecloth. Yeah, put it on the esky.
No, Mom.
Yeah, we're just gonna remove it later.
No, on top.
On top, yes, on top. Sak, no, that's not for that. Put it here.
It is toy box. Yeah. I want to put it in. Ow! Ow.
It's alright, Sak, I'll do that.
But I don't know.
No, you're gonna break it, Baba.
But I was looking at. Mom, when when it was nearly my birthday, we got this out, looking out there and wash.
Daddy will do that.
Ow.
Yes, darling. Be careful with that one, huh? Give the ball for Holly, Kuya Zach.
Football?
Please.
Football? There you go. We need nothing on the table.
Remove the pram now, Zach.
So where's the blanket?
No, there. We're not gonna use that. We're gonna wash the table first.
No, it just goes there.
All right. Okay. What's next?
Oh, yeah, this is like for cleaning.
That's for the window, Kuya.
We can put this somewhere else.
Careful with that one.
No, just put it
Put on the top of the table first for now.
No, we didn't do it. No, that's what we pump up.
No, Saki, no.
Dad, that's what we pump up.
Kaya,
Yeah, I'll put it.
Zach, put it there because that's
Mom,
thing.
put it here.
Zach, not there because Holly will.
Mom, what is that?
Pardon?
What is that?
Where is Dad?
It's boxing thing.
Working.
It's going to now.
Yeah, he's in the
Then I'll
mouth.
put this one. I know where the space is to go.
No, not there.
Yeah.
Just put it on that side.
Yeah, I'll try to do that.
Ah. No, not there, Baba, because it's gonna rain. We don't want that to be wet.
Mom, it's not going to rain today.
Where are you going, Zach?
Mom,
Yes.
where's this book?
Where is the?
Here. I'm gonna lay down under that table. Lay down under it. I mean, take this apart and tie it down.
Yes, Baba. Huh? Here's your milk.
Just stand up.
Yeah, thank
Oh,
you.
I can just put this one there and lift it and put it under.
No, because so your friends can play that one as well.
Your friend.
It's all right.
Mom.
Yeah, it's all right. Why not? Kuya, come on. Tyron, don't do. And not like that because Holly will scratch.
Holly, don't eat this.
No, Holly don't eat. So put it somewhere.
I can put that there when I was out there. Baba. Like, lay down a piece of Lego. Huh? Lay down a piece of Lego. Ow. Oh, here's your pen, Baba. Huh? Here's your pen. Here's your teeth. This is Holly's pen.
Thank you. Okay, sweep the floor now, Zachary. Give it to Zachary, teacher. Thank you.
Play?
Huh?
Have a little play.
No, you're not done yet.
Oh, yeah. One more time, I'm gonna have a little play with football.
Yeah. No, Baba. Kuya Zach will do that.
Play that.
Did you remove all the toys outside, Kuya?
Holly's
Did you?
cleaning up too. Play that.
No, because she's a baby, Baba.
Yeah, just put this. I'll teach you. Hold it. Do that. Do that.
No, Baba, because she might.
Yeah, I'll teach you. There. Whoa.
Kuya, did you remove all the toys outside?
Sit down. Did you do it
Because Daddy gonna cut the grass. Good ka, Baba?
Ladder.
Okay. What? No, it's alright, that one.
He cut.
I'll just put on top of the trampoline. Oh, Kuya Sak, get that broom now, please, because... Give it to Kuya. Here, Baba. Oh, Kuya Sak, here, look. Ano yan? Ibu-blow... Ano ba yun? Basta may pang blower. Ibu-blower yun ni Jan, mamaya. No, Baba. No, Baba.
I'll do this note to Mom first before you do it.
Thank you.
No, two hands. Two hands. No, I do it with one. No, you just do like this. No, no.
Wait, Baba, wait.
I'll take you out of this. No, go another one. Wait. Teacher, that's for
It's alright, that one. That's good, Kuya. Yeah.
Teacher, some bit there.
Sak, she's giving it to you now, Kuya Sak.
Some left.
Oh, no, Daddy will wash it later.
Yeah, I didn't wash it.
No, 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 Daddy will wash it later. Thank you. Here's your milk, Papa.
Daddy, yeah, we need this for washing.
Yeah, Daddy will wash that table later.
Yeah, then I'll wash it.
That's for the window, knock.
No, I didn't wash it. Can you do that too? Oh, that can't work. Hey, that's for the boat, Jack. Huh? For the boat. That can't work. I'll water it. Yeah. I'll get this boat. You've done that. Now, where was it? See, don't do it here.
Well done, Kuya.
Am I doing a good job, Tony?
Ah, yes, you are. Well done, Zach. Here, Kuya. Oh, Kuya TJ, here.
That's bad for you or something. This is easy to sweep on the floor.
Is it? Kuya, careful, ha? You might hit Soccer or Holly.
Papa, you want to wash it now?
No, 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 no. She's drinking milk, Kuya Zach.
Looks so clean.
Where's the, Walis Ting Ting? We have Walis Ting Ting.
Huh?
You know, the Philippine one?
Oi!
It's alright, Zach. Give me this one. Oh, ayan. Nalinis na nila yung mga toys nila. So, Anna, come on. Oh, did you move your car?
Yeah.
It's gonna rain.
It's under that shoulder.
It's gonna rain.
Battery's under.
Kaya pala sabi ko, nasa na yung yung sasakyan? Andiyan pala.
Oh, this is better.
Is it? See, I told you. That one is better.
Mom, did you bring this from the Philippines or?
No, no, I bought it from, Asian store in Adelaide.
Did you not do one?
Just one. We got two, but we give it to someone. Holly!
No, I should remember we have two.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's one. Where's that tray? I want that tray to stay cut really too. Even though it's wooden.
I think it's gonna rain, Kuya.
Wow. I'll take this top
Okay, say see you now. Say.
Take that top it off.
No, it's all right.
Dad. No, Mom, did off for a minute.
Uh,
Okay, I got some. Mom,
uh.
Mom. Yeah, that will make no mess. No. Mom, let's put this puppy somewhere else.
No, that belongs there, Papa.
Why?
Because when people come in, they can sweep their shoes.
Here?
Yeah, they can do this, like this.
Now, we will take all our shoes off and we will get inside. We want to watch TV.
Yeah. Put it back, Baba.
Daddy, you let us all these? Huh? How does that even happen? Here. Here, take it.
Who?
Here, take it. Mom,
You know how to do that? Like this. I teach you how to. No, not like that. I show you. Like this. Look at mommy. You have to sit down and do this. Easy.
teacher, actually, teacher, you did it. I don't like that.
Because you get lots of dirt. Come on. Okay, say bye-bye now. Oh.
Why? No, not yet.
Come on.
Just when you do that,
Huh?
this what you do it. You might poke someone.
You be careful.
If we finish, we just put it here.
No, not there. Because Holly will get it. Not yet finished. Here, look. I can see some.
Here.
Yep.
What is this?
Oh, watch out for Holly.
What is that?
Oh, I'm not sure. Well, that's Wally's ting. Broom.
Yeah.
Ew.
Hey, Mom, Dad will do the rest.
Pardon?
Dad will do the rest.
Dad will do the rest.
We have to do the rest because it's our birthday tomorrow.
Okay. But you done well, both of you. Very good.
Well, Tia wasn't packing up. I didn't see them.
Pardon?
I was packing up outside.
Yeah, Kuya Tijo was outside. You're here. Okay, say bye-bye na. Oh.
Oh, not yet.
Yeah. This is long now. It's 23 minutes. Come on. No, you don't do that. You're what? You're an ant.
And I'm an
Careful with that. You don't play with that one. Okay. Say bye-bye now. No. Put it back. Put it back. You don't. Put it back. Ako na. Yeah. Insert it. Yep. One at a time. Ako na lang. Okay, say bye now. Kuya, bye-bye na. Oh. Yeah. Well done, Baba. Oh, bye-bye na, Sak. Oh. Say bye, guys. Hoy! Ang haba nito. Sige, bye. Paano ba ito? Paano ito? Baka ma-delete ko na naman to pag mali yung ma-press ko. Oh, paano? Done? Are you sure? Okay, end.